So like many of the healthcare organizations in Singapore, we have to start thinking of new ways to continue to provide for our patients. And this rethinking process has come up with many new initiatives, and this included teleconsultations, virtual exercises, as well as many virtual educational programs. Well, we have to actually move many of our programs online. So we actually partner with many of our pharmaceutical companies to give educational talks. Even after the end of the circuit breaker, we continue to be hampered by the restrictions in the class sizes.
Normally, I come here with my sister. She comes here, she feels very safe to have physiotherapists attending to her, and then, at what speed, and then she knows that she's taken care of, not afraid of falling down or doing the wrong step.
So what we do here is that we bring them out instead to an open space and an external environment where now more people can continue to exercise under the supervisions of our physiotherapists. Many of training programs continues remotely during this period of time. We continue to have our online CPR plus AED certification course. We also have our Restart a Heart program that is put online together with our very popular BP initiative at schools. In 2021, Singapore Heart Foundation emerged strongly out of the COVID-19 lockdown, and we were proud recipient of the most inspiring World Heart Day campaign award through our public outreach approach via a game called the Hugo Poly Game. In 2021, we were awarded the Minister for Home Affairs National Day Award Home Team Partners for being instrumental to the success of the Save a Life initiative. This Save a Life initiative includes building the National AED Registry, installing AED in areas with low coverage of the AED, and also supporting the AED on Wheels program, which is a partnership program with some of our taxi operators to deliver AED to sites where it is needed. In 2022, we also received the SG Secure Responders and Partners Appreciation Award for working closely with Singapore Civil Defence Force on the AED initiative. We were conferred the Charity Transparency Award 2022 by the Charity Council. During my chairmanship in Singapore Heart Foundation, I intend to focus on 3 areas. The first of which is to be a strong advocate for cardiovascular health and disease prevention. In this regard, Singapore Heart Foundation will have to work very closely with various stakeholders such as Ministry of Health, Singapore Civil Defence Force, Singapore Resuscitations and First Aid Council, hospitals, welfare organizations, and the media to provide credible knowledge and information about heart disease to the public. The second aspect of which is in education. It is important for Singapore Heart Foundation to work with the relevant authorities like Ministry of Health, Health Promotion Board, and various international heart associations to provide the public with scientifically proven evidence-based medical facts. Our staff will continually be trained so that they are always mission ready and competent in whatever they are tasked to carry out. The impact of cardiovascular disease prevention is tremendous, to say the least, not just for personal health, but also to the well-being of the family as well as the society at large. And this is the core of what Singapore Heart Foundation stands for.